everybody, Dr. Brian here once again. Just want to tell you about our next webinar coming up, May 24th. This is one that you sign up at the front desk. It is online. If you don't have a computer, we'll invite you in the office here. But for those of you, 99% of people have a computer. We're gonna send a link to you on that night. So let me tell you, 1 out of 2 people have pre-diabetes, and most do not know it. Pre-diabetes. So 1 out of 3 people, between 3 and 4, are diabetic. There's type 1 diabetic, but most of the time it's type 2 diabetes. So you can be developing diabetes long before symptoms even come about. So it's very, very important to keep learning and striving to do what we can for our health so we don't end up a statistic. You know, there's actually kids that are type 2 diabetic. Diabetes in itself has increased about 1,000% in the last 45 years. So it's a big problem, guys. Whether you have diabetes or whether you don't have diabetes, our office is here to help you, to teach you, to coach you on lifestyle activities. Take the time once a month. It's an hour long. You won't regret it. So diabetes and blood sugar control workshop. You know, the medical model with the medications, I mean, they just want to manage and control it. You can still get side effects of neuropathy, and the #1 cause of blindness under the age of 65 is diabetes. So you don't want to be that statistic. But again, we must prevent, we must be proactive with our health. And so again, May 24th, we're going to be giving you these cards, and we want you all to sign up, especially new people that are in our office. We want you to sign up and come hear the great information that you're going to get. And again, diabetes is associated with cancer, associated with heart disease, associated with so many other conditions. So let's not that be you. So come and sign up at the front desk, and we look forward to having you on that call.